Is it any wonder why the American public does not trust life insurance agents? My name is Justin White. Thanks so much for watching today. A couple of weeks ago, I went out and wrote a couple of my clients. I was called out by a gentleman who was on a group term life through his former employer, and it started going crazy. It was obviously going into what I call its death spiral. It was acting like a 5-year renewable term. The price was going up and the face amount was going down every 5 years. And when we called, they did indeed confirm that the actual policy itself was going to expire in the not too distant future. This guy needed the coverage, wanted the coverage. We needed to fix it. Thankfully, they still were insurable, and I was able to secure for them an immediate death benefit through a whole life plan for both of them. His wife had had an amputation due to diabetes several years before, so it was a little dicey, but I did finally get it done with an A-rated carrier. Got it in place. Everything was great. Got him off of a 5-year renewable term, completely inappropriate, going away. Got him into whole life, level premiums, level death benefit, no more moving parts, end of story. I thought. Week later, got a call. The guy said, hey, you know what? I was referred by my company to this guy who's got me this $50,000 policy for $207.25. And I said, are you looking at AARP? And he goes, yes. And I said, sir, do you realize that that is a 5-year renewable term? It is exactly what I just took you off of that was going away. And he said, how do you know that? And I said, because I've got their brochure on my desk. I said, your premium's $207.25, isn't it? He goes, yeah, it is. I said, why are you doing that? And he goes, well, $50,000 for less money sounded good. And I was like, sir, it's a term plan. He goes, but I can convert anytime up to age 80. And the man told me, isn't that great? The man told me. The man told me that 207 would be level until age 80. I have no idea if that was what was said, but that's the impression he came away with. And I said, that's wrong. I said, what else did he tell you? He said, he told me that I could convert at any time up to age 80. I said, that's correct. And he said, I could get the same price that you're giving me right now for $50,000. And I said, false. And I said, I can prove that. And I hung up the phone with him, and I called AARP, and I got their operator on the phone and confirmed that after 1 year, his $207.25 was going to go to $366.92. My plan's price was $320 for a whole life, permanent forever. His plan was going from $207 to $366. That was met with silence on the phone. And then I also got a quote today for what his whole life would cost if he went. It was $4.25. 420, some $4.25, something like that. No, $456. And I said, at age 80, what's the estimate now? They go, our estimate is $512. And I said, well, that ain't $320. So I called the guy back, and long story short, folks, this agent had completely misrepresented this policy. Could not have communicated worse about it, because everything this guy repeated to me was wrong. And the agent could not have asked any questions about where he had come from, because I had just taken him off of something at their request that was blowing up and going away. And so the agent comes in and screws up everything that I had done and puts him right back into a 5-year renewable term again. It is no wonder people don't trust life insurance agents when business is conducted like that. Now, I sound like I'm annoyed. I am annoyed. Thankfully, this has got a happy ending. I had to spend 2 days on it to go over there and figure this out, sit down with this guy and explain to him what he was doing, and we got it straightened out. But guys, we have got to do business better than that. And families are counting on us being professional, knowing what our products do and how they work, and being able to explain exactly the way that they work, and having the integrity to actually put people in something that's going to be for their benefit and not just for your commission check. Thank you so much for watching, folks. Have a great day, and we'll catch you next time.